at the place.
Oh wow.
Hi, what's that?
GoPro.
Seriously?
Yeah.
They make them that small now?
So right now ay nasa taas ng Vancouver. So this is YVR or Vancouver International Airport. Not the place. Wow, so they have an observation area.
Oh wow.
A few moments later.
So ito yung mga vending machine nila sa airport. Merong mga chips, chocolates, drinks, soda, iba-iba. Parang hindi naman uso ang cash dito kasi ang mode of payment ng mga vending machines is credit or debit cards. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong vending machine. Headset, charger, cables. Best Buy pala.
PM.
So right now we are on a connecting flight to Winnipeg.
Hi, what's that?
GoPro.
Seriously?
Yeah.
They make them that small now? I remember when they were about that big. Are they that big?
Three hours later.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
Thank you so much sa panonood sa aking mga vlogs. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Peace!